Friends, in biological classification, you will learn about kingdom Monera. Likewise, one more important kingdom, that is the kingdom Protista. Also, you are going to learn Ernst Haeckel in 1866 proposed three kingdom classification system. He introduced the third kingdom Protista, including unicellular eukaryotes like protozoans and algae. Kingdom Protista includes all the unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Phylogenetically, Kingdom Protista acts as a connecting link between the prokaryotic kingdom Monera on one hand and the complex multicellular kingdoms fungi, plantae, and Animalia on the other hand. Here you can understand the kingdom Protista can be divided into three major groups. First one is autotrophic or photosynthetic organisms or photosynthetic protistas. Example, dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, or you may call diatoms, and euglenoids. Second group is consumer decomposer organisms like slime molds or myxomycetes, which are called as cellular and acellular slime molds. Third one is protozoan protista. Example, zooplazallates, sarcodina, sporozoa, and ciliata. When you come across with the main features of kingdom protista, you can see so many important as well as interesting features like they are usually aquatic as well as present in the soil or in areas with moisture. Most Protista species are unicellular organisms. So this kingdom is called as a cellularity. That is, unicellularity is one of the important feature of this kingdom. However, there are a few multicellular Protista such as Kelpa. Some species of Kelpa grow so large that they exceed over 100 feet in height, means giant Kelpa. The cells of these species have a nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Do you remember these two important things you cannot see in kingdom Monera? They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic in nature. An autotrophic organism can create their own food and survive. A heterotrophic organism, on the other hand, has to derive nutrition from other organisms, such as plants or animals, to survive. Symbiosis is observed in the members of this class. For instance, kelpa, or you may call seaweed, is a multicellular protista that provides otters protection from predators amidst its thick kelpa. In turn, the otters eat sea urchins that tend to feed on kelpa. Parasitism is also observed in Protistus. Species such as Trypanosoma protozoa can cause sleeping sickness in humans. Protists exhibit locomotion through cilia and placenta. A few organisms belonging to kingdom Protista have pseudopodia that help them to move. Protista reproduces by asexual means. The sexual method of reproduction is extremely rare and occurs only during times of stress.